This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your apps crashing on your Android phone. So we can just go to the top right and go to settings right here and scroll on down and let's go to apps. So let's check out apps. Now under apps it gives us the option to clear the cache on them. So if there's some sort of problem on them, let's go to Adobe for example, tap this and force stop it if it's open right here. So we can open this up. And then, for example, I can go back to it. I should have the option to force stop it. If you force stop an app, it may cause some error, so let's just stop it. And then we can try opening it up again right there. Now we can scroll on down. We can go to storage, and we can try clearing the cache for the app right here. Now if we go to clear data, this will delete all file settings, accounts, and databases. So if you're signed in, it might sign you out of that specific app. But it's going to delete all settings for it. So you could try doing that too, and then you're going to have to sign in. Also, you could try just simply uninstalling it right here and delete it from your phone. Then go back to the Google Play Store, tap this, and then just re-download it. So I deleted Adobe. So I should be able to just get it back on my phone now once I search for it. And then re-download it. So here it is, I can install it. So you could just do that method. Now the thing that we can do is check for an update for a phone. So just under the Google Play Store, go to your profile on the top right. Going down to where it says Manage Apps and Device, tap this. And we can check for updates. So we can see if there's any kind of updates for our apps. And there is, and that's one of the reasons why it could be being weird or slow or crashing. Needs an update. So we can just go to update all. And for some reason my phone doesn't update everything automatically all the time. So I always seem to have like 20 different apps that need updating under here. So it's going to go through this and just update all those specific apps. Then we can go back. Also make sure you have enough storage under here. So if you don't have a lot of storage on your phone, you're going to have to delete some to make some space. Maybe it's trying to download that update and you don't have enough space. So we can just go to our storage, just in the Google Play Store or on our settings for our phone. And we can delete applications under here, like Minecraft Education Edition is 1.3 gigabytes for some reason. So we can check that out under here and just delete things through the App Store. Or we can go to settings. Going down to storage. And locate storage. Now on my Samsung phone, this is called Device Care for me. So storage is listed in here. So we can go to this and just delete some information. So you might have to delete some photos, some videos that you took or something like that. Just make sure you have at least like 15 to 20 gigabytes available in case there's a big file download or something like that, and your phone will probably run a little bit better. You don't want to have it low on memory or internal storage. So you can go in here and if I swipe right, I can see my SD card here and I can delete large files, duplicate files right there. And it'll give you some suggestions on what to delete. So here's the large files. And I'll probably have to delete like some videos. Yep. So just make sure you have enough storage space on your phone. Then also under here I have the option to go to memory. And I can close background apps now. So look at my memory available right now, 928. If I go to this, it's going to close those applications and stop them from running in the background. So maybe there's something running in the background causing a bunch of silly errors or something like that on your phone. So you could try that. Then also under here, I do have RAM Plus. I'm able to increase the RAM on my phone from 2 gigabytes to 4 gigabytes. So my phone will run a little bit faster. So also, if you can't see, right here I have the option for software update. I can just check any kind of updates for my system software on my phone. So I'm good there. Also, we can go to Files right now. Swipe up from the bottom, go to Files. And under Files, it gives me the option to delete things. So if I want to delete images, I can go to Images and start deleting images. I can go to All and delete all my images. But it has categories for videos, installed files, documents, etc. And then you can go to your trash can. And make sure to clear out your trash can too and empty this out. Because if you delete something, it's not actually deleted yet. It's still using up space on your phone for 30 days. So you want to come in here and you want to specifically delete it. And then you actually have that space available for you to use. Also, make sure you restart your phone if it's still not, if you haven't done that in a while. So just go to power and restart. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.